I've got the Greenies Smart Essential Adult Real Chicken and Rice Recipe Dog Food. I absolutely love that this product has guaranteed life probiotics and the number one ingredient is real chicken. Plus, it has no corn, wheat, soy, or chicken byproducts. As great as all of that is, you still want the food to be appetizing to your dog. So I'm going to take a minute here and show you how my dogs are enjoying it. I just poured it in the bowl, and as you can see, my dog can't wait to get in and start enjoying it. My other dog is chewing on a rawhide right now, so she's a little preoccupied. But Emma is really enjoying this, and the quality just looks great. The taste gets a thumbs up from my dogs, and the ingredients gets 2 thumbs up from me.